Hi there. I got the newest kitchen gadget. Something I never had before. You want to see what it is? Nobody knows what it is except me. It's right here. Ready? It's heavy. What is it? It's 25 pounds. Can you tell what it is? Let's open it. I got it in a bag so you don't see the label in the box. Okay? You don't see yet? No peeking. I'm gonna open it. It's not mine. All right. What is it? You don't know.
The color looks like familiar.
My favorite color.
I know what it is.
What is it? What is it? Look.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
And it's so cold. We'll keep you warm. What is it? Does it say?
Everybody knows. Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at it. Now I can get a haircut. Zzz. Oh, my favorite color. Oh, it's broke. Hey, Feeks. What do you think?
We can have dueling KitchenAid mixers.
Except mine don't work.
Yes, it does. Right there.
All right. Oh, never had one before. It's kind of frosty from being out in the cold. We just delivered. This. Dough hook. Arr. I wear this so I don't get food on my shirt. That. Woo! So beautiful, like a brand new car. That's how you know it's new, I guess.
Yep.
Busted it. I'm gonna plug it in. Oh, it looks like a new car. I'll take my Camaro that color, maybe a nice Cadillac. That color. Let's see. See if it sounds like a new car. Love it. Are you all happy to see this? How about this?
That's really nice.
We're gonna have a mixer party.
This looks like fun.
KitchenAid Wars.
Yep.
Oh, it's beautiful. Artisan. Mm-hmm. Still cold. Okay, I had to share that with you. What do you think? Whew, solid, solid. I never had one before. And I'm sure this will last me the rest of my life. And then maybe you can have it. Okay? Or I'll take it with me. Why is that in this? Don't ask. Alright. Thanks for watching. We're gonna have fun. Get yours ready. Warm them up. And make some bread, make some cookies. I don't know what else to make. I'm sure I'll think of something.
We're gonna have fun with this.
We'll do some doubles on your channel, huh?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe we'll
I'll put a link to Kathy's channel down there. She's been using hers. I just got mine, and she didn't even know it, did you?
No, I had no idea, but I know you love that color
I was
so
hiding
much.
it in the garage in the back of my car. All right, thanks for stopping by. See you soon. Please subscribe to see what we're going to do with this amazing thing. Bye.